A balanced diet that leans slightly toward the alkaline side, combined with minimizing toxins in your body, creates an environment where cancer is less likely to develop or thrive. Your aim should be to boost your immune system, transforming it into a powerful defense that aggressively fights off cancer, while nourishing every healthy cell in your body with essential nutrients. Curious about the foods that have the power to combat cancer? Explore this list of the top 8 foods known to prevent cancer and support a naturally long and healthy life. 1. Green tea, not just any green tea, but matcha green tea, a unique variety that is finely powdered and traditionally used in Japanese ceremonies. The secret to matcha's powerful benefits lies in its high concentration of polyphenol compounds known as catechins. Studies have shown that the catechins in matcha can not only shield your skin from the harmful effects of UV radiation but also enhance your immune system's performance. According to the National Cancer Institute, these catechins have been clinically proven to protect cells from DNA damage, thanks to their strong free radical fighting abilities. Additionally, other polyphenols in matcha have been found to inhibit the growth of tumor cells. That's a significant amount of cancer protection packed into one small cup. 2. Berries. All berries, especially black raspberries, contain phytonutrients and ellagic acid, which stop tumors from growing. They do not only slow the growth of cancer cells, but have been shown in studies to ramp up enzymes in the body that destroy substances that cause cancer and prevent the growth of tumors. Eating berries vastly decreases the risk of developing lung, stomach, and mouth cancers. This is according to hundreds of clinical studies that have been conducted for both the World Cancer Research Fund and the American Institute for Cancer Research. Find ways to add organic berries to your meals daily and reap the wide range of anti-cancer benefits they have to offer. You can't go wrong, no matter which berry you choose. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. You knew there was a good reason to eat fish weekly, right? Flaxseed oil, hemp oil, and oily fish provide omega-3 fatty acids that make your body less hospitable to cancer. DHA, a key omega-3, has been shown to shrink tumors, boost the effectiveness of chemotherapy, and reduce its side effects. Essential for brain and eye health, DHA also lowers oxidative stress, inflammation, and white blood cell accumulation, all factors linked to cancer growth. 4. Garlic. The National Cancer Institute issued a statement that admits garlic can reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, especially cancers of the gastrointestinal tract. Well, we knew that already. It is most beneficial to eat garlic raw. This tasty herb fights off those nasty free radicals, reduces inflammation in the body, and fights cancer. Who would have ever thought that garlic breath would turn out to be healthy? The compounds that cause that terrible breath are the same ones that stop substances from causing cancer to form in your body. Garlic also helps to repair DNA while it kills off cancer cells. It also reduces the risk of developing colon cancer. 5. Grapes. How can something so delicious be so effective at fighting cancer? The secret is resveratrol, a potent antioxidant found in grapes. Resveratrol has been shown to reduce cancer risk and prevent tumor growth, with studies suggesting it can help stop breast, liver, and stomach cancers. Red and purple grapes contain more resveratrol, especially in the skin and seeds. For maximum health benefits, opt for organic red grapes or fresh grape juice, and include the seeds for added protection against cancer. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which can stop the spread of cancer. It is powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidative, those that fight against free radicals, properties. A summarized review of more than 700 studies done with turmeric showed that this root appears to outperform many known pharmaceutical drugs. In India, most people eat between 2 to 2.5 grams of this spice every day. That would be equal to about 4 to 6 capsule supplements. India has some of the lowest incidences of prostate, colon, lung, and breast cancer in the world. Many researchers believe that this is due to the amount of turmeric that is consumed in that country on a regular basis. 7. Tomatoes. Who would have thought those tasty little tomatoes in your salad could fight cancer? It's the carotenoids and lycopene in tomatoes that play a key role, particularly in protecting against pancreatic and prostate cancer. To maximize the benefits, aim for 7 to 10 servings a week. That's easier than it sounds. Add tomatoes to salads, smoothies, and pasta dishes. And enjoy some fresh tomato juice. For the best results, use organic tomatoes to make your own pasta sauce and juice. 8. Cruciferous vegetables. This type includes radishes, broccoli, cauliflower, turnips, Brussels, watercress, and more. These tasty vegetables all contain sulforaphane, among other helpful compounds, which fight breast, prostate, brain, and colorectal cancers. Researchers at Ohio State University did a study that showed that anthocyanins, the substances that give cabbage their purple color, cut the growth of colon cancer cells in by 50 to 100% in tests done in vitro and in rats. Dark-colored plants are all a good source of indole 3-carbinol. This is a natural compound that improves DNA repair in the body's cells while it blocks the growth of cancerous cells.